Good evening, kia ora from Auckland. Eden Park is the venue for Game 1 in the KFC T20 series between New Zealand and Pakistan. Two sides ranked closely together, world rankings, New Zealand 3, Pakistan 4. Two teams that have played against one another a lot in recent times. And we're all set for a cracking series. 5 matches in this T20. Oh, there's some swing. Finale underway. New Zealand on the board. Oh, it's in the air and out. First ball, Conway's gone. Shaheen Shah Afridi as skipper strikes, and Pakistan make the first blow here. Can't find the gap at cover. It's a good first over for Pakistan. Oh, swing and a miss from Allen. This time Ralph going a touch shorter. Oh, it's in the air. It's in the air. How far it's gone? It's gone all the way for 6. Fuller flicked away. 4 more. 4 more, runs away very fine here. Oh, it's hit hard for 4 more. 4 in a row from Allen. He's on fire here at Eden. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's gone all the way. What an over this is for New Zealand. Here, Jamal. What a stuff. Pace off. Pace off, but it still goes the distance. Oh, knocked him over. Jamal gets his wicket.
This was a delivery angle back in. Beautiful. Played all around that. But no. Well,
debut. Good start. First delivery. Up and over. Down it goes. 1 bounce 4. Good use of the feet. Oh, it's gone straight up. Straight up. Who wants it? Going back. Puts it down. It's gone down. Babar Azam looked like... Oh, slow ball. Out this time. This time they hold on to one. And Abbas Afridi picks up his first wicket in T20 cricket. It's a good one.
Here's Jamal. Oh, it's a bottom edge. Well stopped by Azam. Got enough on it.
over the top.
It's a full toss for Williamson. Played through cover. That'll run away for 4. Korea, strike. That is loose. You'd have to say it got what it deserved. And a little bit of innovation. And there was no way Azam can. And a beautiful time of year, and starts loose again. Very similar to the first delivery of the night from over the top. Eze! Oh no! Oh! Oh, Mitchell just smokes him onto the side screen for 6. And goes again. Same result. Back to back, Daryl Mitchell.
Oh, bang. Gone all the way, Mitchell. What a start after the drinks break. What a way to bring up. That's worked off the hip for 4. Clever stuff from Mitchell. In the air, beats mid-off, coming across, and will pick up 4. That's whipped away for 4 more. Yes, it is. Beats the fielder. In the air, up and over cover. Look at the placement. Oh, that's in there. That might be out. It is out. He's holed out. Was looking for a 3rd boundary in a row. Pakistan strike. And it's a bust. Short. Down the leg side. Oh, straight down the ground. What a shot that is. Has it gone all the way? It has. It was flat. Flicked away. Deposited for 4. Lost his line there, Jamal. Flat. Along the ground through cover for 4. Oh, that's off the toe. Off the toe. Taken this time. Babar Azam made hard work of it. Came off the toe, but he's taken a catch. 100, 750 is good. On the pull. And we'll get 4. Nice way to start. End of a good...
Here's Mir on debut. And that's cut away by Daryl Mitchell. And that'll fly away for 4. As well, Daryl Mitchell So look to accelerate again. Gets it fine enough. Might have found the gap here, Chapman, and he has. Shane Sharp. Should be out this. Should be out, is out. Mitchell's innings comes to an end. It's a wicket. Ground, Rangitutu in the background. It's 4 runs here at Eden Park. Oh, that's high. Has he got enough? Has he what? That's 20 rows deep. Pulled away, Chapman. Has he got all of it? Oh! What an effort that was. Bang. That ball goes again. Doesn't get all of this though. Taken. Another catch in the deep for Same Ayub. And not this time. Not this time came up. He's gone for a golden. Oh my goodness. Chapman has let loose. Has he got enough of this? No, he has not. Had to do something. Southey on strike. And misses out. 1 ball remains. Oh, a bit fuller. And clipped away for 6. Oh, you don't want to miss that. He couldn't hit short of a lane.
Here at Eden Park, New Zealand's national stadium. Up and over, and they'll start with 4. The perfect start from Pakistan. They're going to be aggressive. Pulled away. It's in the air. It's gone all the way for 6. Got a good piece of it, did Ayub. Oh, straight up. That's got plenty on it and should land safely. In fact, it's gone for 6. Oh, flicked away. That's 6 more. That's gone many a mile. What a shot that is off the hip. Oh, it's a big over for Pakistan. Up and over. Is it 4 or is it 6? 1 bounce 4. Huge over. Oh, what a drive that is. That is a classical off drive that will run away for 4. And it's... If Milne hit, got him, I reckon. Direct hit, I think Milne's done it. The youngster had to scamper back and he might be short. Oh, bang. How far has that gone? Second tier, it has. Oh, that's some shot from him. Edged up and over, all the way for 6. Can you believe it? Up and over, that'll be 4. Lovely shot from Babar Azam. Pace off, and it will be 4. Just lost his line.
Down the pitch, top edge. Who wants it? Conway wants it. 7th match, it's a healthy average. On strike. And again, it's a slow ball, right past the foot. Just misses line this time, Ishodi, and that'll go for 4. Despite... It's a chance, just over the top. Came in for a consultation, and that's just flicked over, and that's Eden Park. You just can't defend that shot. That's gone. That is gone. It is just turn and watch. That has hit the roof of the North. 227 for victory. Great work, Ishodi. Great work, Ishodi. How has he done this? Overjoyed at that success, and not so much at that. That's the first ball. Prides himself on his fielding, and that is hit hard. Just admire that. That much. Oh, late on the cut, just like that. It's over. Is this a chance? No. That is 6 runs. This one's come off the top of the bat. It's been clothed, and Sodi takes the catch. Southey. His 6th match today, so Azam. Nice shot. Just played off the hit, lifted the front leg, and that's gone. That's gone all the way for 6, and there'll be no question about that one. Well, that is a long way up and right over that deep pocket.
That's good. That's a good shot.
Cut away, that is a good shot, Glenn Phillips. And that's 50 for Bum.
Up. Should be out. Might be out. Is out. What a catch. He put one down. Freedy. Not a great average. Short, edged and gone. Milne gets 2 in the over. Freedy's on his way. Oh, that's good. That's 6. Oh, look at the timing there. Just eased it. Pace off again. Up. Oh, no, put down. And it's going to go. Edge that will run away for 4. So hard to defeat. Over. In the air and out. In the air and out. The skipper again. He's in the action. It's Ben Sears who gets the. In the air and out.